Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your character in Destiny 2. To do so, you first need to launch your Destiny 2 game on your device, and once you do that, you'll be greeted with this screen. Now select the character you want to edit. For example, I'm Hunter, so I'm just going to left click on it, which will take me to the login screen of the Hunter. So this is my career as a hunter. Now press F1, which will take you to the character screen. So from here, you can edit your character however you like it. You can change your subclass, your weapon, kinetic weapon. This is your energy weapon, power weapon, and your ghost. So here are all the armor pieces. So you can change it however you like it. Just hover your mouse on top of it and select the weapon you want to change it to, like so. And same goes with the other options right here. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!